I did something on my channel. In fact, something changed in my channel drastically and it happened overnight. Like you guys know, for a while now, my channel has been suffering from a lot of setback, like low views, low subscriber count. It has been as if I'm not doing something right because I went off for a very long time, which actually made my channel to suffer a lot, from shadow ban to low visibility to all of those things that you can imagine. So when I came back, I'm trying to see if my channel will pick up, but everything that I've actually done has not been working very well. My consistency, everything, it has not been working. I've been getting the lowest views. So, and it has not been actually funny because, my channel, most of the time, I do experiment things to see what is happening and what is not happening and what is working and what is not working. And because I teach mostly how to grow on YouTube, so it has been a tough one for me because you cannot be doing this thing and you're not seeing the result. So at some point, I actually thought like, okay, maybe this thing is no longer for me. But due to the fact that I really need people, I really need to help other people as well. So I kept on doing what I was doing. So, but something happened recently. So after some of my videos that refused to perform very well. So I came back and I said, no, let me do something else. Okay. Let me do something else and see if this thing is going to work. Because if you go down to my videos, you see that some videos that I've been posting recently that I came back to YouTube has not been performing well. So, and but after some of those videos, if you check the recent videos, like my two recent videos, everything have started changing. So when I checked and I said, okay, let me try and see if this thing is going to work. Let me try this thing out. So what I did is that I did something in my YouTube setting. This thing that I did recently is something that I've actually done before that changed my channel. But I noticed something due to the fact that I felt like my channel was shadow banned and a lot of things has changed on YouTube. So that particular setting was no longer working on my channel and because things have stopped working. So that particular setting was no longer working on my channel. So that means I really needed to change some things. And due to the fact that I really needed to change some things, I said, okay, let me try this thing and see if something is going to change after this particular setting. And lo and behold, after that settings, after I did this particular setting, things changed. Next video that I created after that particular setting, it performed well. Then the second video I now created after that first very good performance to perform the first one that I created after that particular setting. That means that the settings that I actually did worked and it's working very perfectly. So in this video, I want to share with you that very tip. Okay, I want to share that settings to you so that you can actually do it on your own channel and see if it's going to work out or you. And definitely, I believe it's going to work out because this is what I did to restore my channel visibility back. So now this setting that you're going to do, you might have actually come across it. I don't know, but this time around it's different. Okay, so because one thing about this setting is that if you've done the settings before and after a while when your channel picked up and it stopped and you have not been getting views, it's actually a sign that you did something wrong or that you need to do something else. Okay, this particular setting, because I have done it before and it changed some things in my channel. After a while that I went off, and now when I came back, I noticed that okay, things are no longer the same on YouTube again, like it used to be. Topics has changed, people are now doing different things. The audiences are now choosing different topics to watch. Okay, so that means that I really need to change some things in this particular setting. So I don't have to keep the same settings that I've actually done before. I need to readjust and do something new. So I now went to my YouTube settings. Okay, I went to my YouTube studio, and when I'm going to attach a screen record of what I did. So when I went to my YouTube studio. So I had to click back on that particular setting and rearrange things. I rearranged the things that was there before and actually added a new one. So I had to talk about so many things that people are doing recently on YouTube to add it up to what I'm going to change my own into. So I'm going to show you on the screen what I did and how I was able to change it and it started working out for me. So, like now, you have to go to your YouTube studio, the web aspect of it. Okay, this is my own YouTube studio. Look at how it's looking. So, once you go to your YouTube studio, you have to click on the settings. Okay, go down and click on the settings. Then, now, once you click on the settings, it's going to bring out something like this, but you're going to choose this particular one, which is the channel. Okay, go to the channel aspect. This is the first place you have to go to. So this place, this is where you have to input everything that is concerning your channel, what you do, what your channel is all about, the topics you treat, the topics that you're likely to teach even in the future. Okay, and what you are currently teaching on your channel, or what you're currently doing. So if you're into vlogs, this is what you're going to do. You're going to attach the topics, like what you think that people are doing, like are looking for on YouTube. If people are looking for a day in my life or an introvert vlog, you're going to attach it here. So this is what happened to me. Like I have already added some things related to this before, but because when I stopped YouTube, a lot of people started searching for other topic and a lot of things changed. So what I did is that I had to go and rewrite these things and look out for new ways. And I also went to vidIQ. Okay, once I went to vidIQ, I searched for keywords that people are recently looking for on YouTube, or people are recently watching, or the things that people are watching. So I had to rewrite them and change some of the things. And also, please make sure you include your name, because people are looking for your content using your name. Okay, so make sure you write anything writable, things that you think that people are looking for. So after that, you're going to save it. Okay, so after saving it, you're going to go to the advanced setting this time around. If you have not done this advanced setting, so you go to this advanced setting. Okay, if you've not done anything there before, you have to do it. So this particular one, you're going to set it not made for kids, especially if your content is not for the kids. Okay, but if it's for kids, please make sure you click on yes. Okay, so this feature eligibility, this is very important. If you're just starting YouTube, you should set this one. Okay, but I believe that if you've been on YouTube, you should been able to set this one completely. So it's very important. You should enable everything that you're seeing here, do everything so that it will be ticked enabled for you. So these settings are very, very crucial for your YouTube views and for your YouTube growth, because it's going to direct the YouTube algorithm to the right people to show your content to. Okay, so you have to make sure you set everything that is required of you. Okay, so you need to set everything that is there in the feature eligibility. Okay, so and when you go to the basic info again, see how my own is looking. So if you've actually set your own and included all these things, your own is going to look like this. Please make sure you write them, and make sure you write them very, very correctly. Okay. So and that was what I did. Okay, so this was what I did, and everything restored back to normal. I know that the views might not actually be like flowing right now like it's supposed to flow, but then I noticed a significant change. Okay, I noticed a significant change, and it is something for me, because it's actually very stressful if you're on YouTube and you're not getting the results, and you are putting in the energy, you are consistent, you are doing everything that you're supposed to do, you are doing everything that people are saying okay you should do, and you're not getting the result. It doesn't make sense, and it makes everything tiring. So I urge you to please do the same thing on your YouTube channel. Please be careful and monitor how I did my own, and you're going to see a significant change. And again, when you are doing yours, after doing yours, please do not forget that you have to put in the work also. Please be consistent. Don't leave your channel like that without doing anything. No, you don't have to just do the setting and just leave your YouTube channel like that. No, you have to show workings and treat your YouTube channel like it's your personal property. Okay, you have to treat it like it's a job on its own. So you have to be consistent. You have to do things that people want to see. You have to look out for solutions to people's problem. If you are into tutorial kind of content, you have to actually satisfy some people's cravings on this platform, because for someone to come on this platform to watch a video, it means that like they really really need this, or they really really value what you are giving them. Okay, so you have to match up the energy. Even though you are doing the settings, you have to also put in the work and make sure you are producing valuable content for your audience. And see you in my next video. And I just wish this thing is going to work for you as much as it works for me. So we have to keep on doing what we are doing to see that our YouTube channel becomes successful. So I'm going to see you in my next video, and thank you for watching. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do well to subscribe, because in this channel I'll teach you a lot of things concerning YouTube growth. Um, in fact, all tech related things. Okay, all the things that you need to know about YouTube, from the beginner aspect to even down to your monetization level. Okay, and other things in between. Okay, sometimes I share vlogs. Okay, so if you guys want me to be doing vlogs, you can also tell me. I also have another channel that I want to focus on posting vlogs, but if you guys want to see the vlogging part of me in this channel, you can also tell me and I will do that. Okay, so see you in my next video and good luck.